this is a cylinder head here. So, as you are seeing, this is a cylinder head. This is a cylinder head here, as you are seeing. So we are going to cut the threads here. So as you are seeing these holes here, they just enter through inside. This. They just enter inside. There are no threads inside, as you are seeing. So the hole. So we are going to first drill in with 6 to 8 millimeters. So we are going to do 8 millimeters. Remove the remaining threads inside here. So that's what we're going to do. Then we are going to tap in with a 6. This is a 10 millimeters, and the final threads will be 8 times 1 to 5 millimeters threads. So what we are going to first do, let's thread in using this handle here. So as you are seeing here, the threads are inside. So what we are going to do now, we are going to cut our EVM coil. This is going to act as our EVM coil here. So the inserts. So this is going to act as our insert here. So let me try to. Okay, this is going to act as our insert here, inside here. So we're going to use a die. This is a die of 10 times 1 to 5, as you are seeing, because we have been threading inside here. So we threaded our insert, which we are going to use 10 millimeters, 10 times 1.25. Also, this is a die of 10 times 1.25. Then we're going to tie this EVM coil here. This is a pipe. So then we're going to tie it inside here. So let's go and cut here the threads here, so that we can come and tie it inside with the help of a spagula here. After cutting our EVM coil here, so we tried to tie the EVM coil, as you are seeing. So this is the EVM. So you are seeing the threads now. So these are the threads. If you try to check the pitch, so the pitch matches very well. You try to zoom in. Okay, you try to match the pitch here. You see that everything matches very well. So this is what you're going to use. Let's tie it inside here. So with the help of a spagula, let's put some spagula here. So after tightening it like this, so what we're going to have to move this excessive one here. So with the help of a baby grinder. So you have to make sure that you be careful not to cut the surface, you see, to be be very careful not to touch the surface. As you're seeing here. After that, what we are going to do now, as you are seeing, so there is something I want to show you. If you try to check these are dowels here. So these dowels here, so this hole it has it's drilled a bit. There is a certain distance before you reach at the threads where they start from. So if you are not careful, if you are careful enough, you see that this is a 10 millimeters, yet we are going to put in 8 millimeters inside. So we are going to drill this small hole here. That it's like as you are seeing this hole here. So we are going to put this small hole inside here to act as where the dowel will sit. So these dowels here, these ones, they sit inside here, like these dowels here. These ones, we have this one, this one, this one. So they sit inside here. So what we are going to do, we're going to put those holes so that these dowels, they can fix again them. They are, if you try to measure on the vernier caliper, those dowels, they have 10 millimeters. Yeah, if you try to measure on the vernier caliper, they have 10 millimeters. If you try to zoom in like this, you see that they are of 10 millimeters. So also this tab here, this drilling bit, is of 10 millimeters. So it is 10 millimeters, as you are seeing also. It is 10 millimeters. So let's drill on. Remove to put those holes over the dowel. So then after putting that hole, as you are seeing now, if you try to shake here, this the bolt enters inside. Also this tab enters inside. So they have fulfilled the space for the dowel. Then we are going to tap in with 8 times 125. There's a bolt of 12 millimeters on the spanner or 13 on the spanner. Then we are going to do, I recommend to drill in with 6.75 millimeter drilling bit. So let's drill in.
What plan is?
So you have to remove the dust. So after removing the dust, then let's try to tap in the threads of let me try to tap in the threads of this is 8.25. okay, 8.25. Let's get that in. So these are the threads of 8.25 here. So you have to be so careful, and you have to make sure that you're in a straight line. So you have to put these the remaining caps into the holes, the good holes, to see whether, and you look inside to see whether you are in a straight line. So like this. So you have also to use some oil here, some oil to soften the bits when it's cutting. Not the bit to be over, not to over, like to stick. So what you have to do. So now, when we have done with the threads, it's time for testing our hole. So let's test here. So now, as you are seeing, the threads are okay and fine. So even if we get some sparks here, so you see now the threads are okay and fine. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. So if you try to see these holes here, so now the bolt just goes inside, as you are seeing. So we are done with this one. So we are going to repeat the same process with these 4 holes. This one, and plus this one here. So this one here, also this one. Those are the 4 holes. So